Okay, so in just a moment, I'm going to reveal a brand new method where you can earn big money online from using Google Translator. You just got to follow my simple and easy instructions in this video, and you don't need any skill, you don't need any experience to do this, and the best part about this method is that it's 100% free. You don't have to pay any money to do this, and this is available worldwide. It doesn't matter where you're coming from. You can use today's method and start making money online. So this is how much money you can earn by using today's method if you translate one file using the Google Translator. You can earn somewhere between $50 to $100 when you translate 5 files. You can also earn up to $500, and we'll do it for 10 files, earn up to $1,000, and the earning potential of this is crazy. Now, you can repeat this over and over again, so I want you to stay tuned and don't miss out on that. Now make sure you subscribe to my channel, go on and click on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out when I release my brand new videos that can help you make more money online. So in just a moment, I'm going to show you all the steps that you need to do. You can do it on your computer, you can do it on your phone, and I'll show you how to use the Google Translate and earn a lot of money, but you gotta follow my steps. So first up, I want you to go onto this website, which is latium.org. I'm going to leave the link of this website on the screen right now. But before you go onto this website, I want to show you how you can sign up, and I'll explain how this works and all the steps and all the training on this video. That way, you can follow exactly what I did before you go on and try it yourself. So right here, I want to show you there's actually a lot of earning potential on this website. As you can see here, the reward offer, $2,500 up to $5,000, $2,500 up to $3,000, $2,000 is a lot of earning potential. So if you're coming from the US, UK, Canada, India, the Philippines, Nigeria, Pakistan, there are a lot of opportunities for you guys from all over the world, and you can join this opportunity right now, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in this video. So real quick, let me show you exactly how it works, and then I'll show you how to sign up and actually get a free sign-up bonus or free money in a moment. So make sure you don't miss out on that. But first off, step number 1. When you come onto this website, once you sign up, you're going to browse on different projects just like what I showed you just now. You can find here on the marketplace, there are different projects, different offers, different jobs that you can do, and you can earn US dollars, cryptocurrency, and PayPal money. So you can earn on so many different payment methods that you prefer in your country, so you can browse on different available projects on the Latium platform. And then you're going to submit, and then you can start working immediately, and then you can get paid within 24 hours. It's a very fast payment method, and they pay you on time every single day. So step number 2, you gotta complete the project, and then you can submit your work through the Latium contract management system. I'll show you how to do that in a moment, so make sure you keep watching. And step number 3, which is what we all love, where we can get paid. So once your work has been reviewed and approved, your payment will be released immediately to your Latium wallet within 24 hours. It's a very fast process, so right now, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up and get your free bonus money when you go onto this latium.org website. You want to click on here, I want to work. Click on this button right here, and then you're going to come onto this page. As you can see here, you're going to put in your first name, your last name, your email, your username, your password, and click on this, I am not a robot. Just click on the continue button. So once you do that and you sign up, you should be able to get a free $1 sign-up bonus, but you have to verify your email account, so make sure you check your email inbox and click on the activation link so they can set up your account. And on Latium Wallet, you should be able to see your free $1 once you sign up. So again, once you log into your account, when you click on this Browse Project, you should be able to see there are different projects that you can join, and you can choose whatever you want, and you can do the jobs and get paid. So the problem is there are so many projects, so many things to do, and I know that a lot of you guys, including myself, don't have any experience for this. For example, I don't know how to do graphic designs. I don't know how to do website or software. I don't know how to do usability testing. And the good thing about this is that you don't actually need any skill or experience to do this. All you got to do is just go on and focus on the translation and language. So when you come out to here, you're going to click on this translation and language on the top right-hand corner over here. So right now, you can see there are other projects that you can do about translation and language. So as you can see here, people are earning up to $25 per project just by translating. For example, from Hindi to English or from Japanese to English. In just a moment, I'll show you some examples of the job that you're able to receive and earn money online. For example, you might actually receive a Hindi article, as you can see here, and you want to translate your job from Hindi to English, right? And then you can receive $75, and there are some projects that they want you to translate from Japanese. Okay, so Japanese, and you gotta translate from Japanese into English, and they're gonna pay you $100 per project. So once you've finished your projects, they're gonna pay you in cryptocurrency. For example, in coins like Bitcoin or different coins, as you can see here, or you can get paid in US dollars in bank transfer, in paper money, or in web money, in Skrill, or in Payoneer. There are so many payment methods on this website that you can choose from. In fact, comment down below what payment method it is that you prefer in your country. So as you can see here, this is one of the articles that you can receive from them. It's a Hindi article. Basically, you can translate this Hindi article into English, and you can make money online. Now, I know that a lot of you guys are coming from all over the world, and you might not be able to translate different languages. But the thing is, I'll show you in this video how you can leverage the power of Google Translate to do this job and automate the process so you can make money over and over again. You're going to follow my step as you can see here. First off, I want you to go to google.com and I want you to type in a keyword which is Google Translate. Okay, typically with Google Translate, and you're going to press on the search button. So right now, you should be able to come onto this. As you can see here, you can actually select and type in and copy and paste the language right here on the left, and then you can automatically translate the language into English. This is very small, but you can do it on your computer or you can do it on your phone, okay? So what we do now is we're going to go on and click on here, translate.google.com. Click on this link right here, and then you could come onto this page where it is larger and it's much more easier for you to work on. So first off on the left, it's detect language, okay? Over here, you want to paste the article on the left here. All you got to do when you receive your job, as you can see here, is you can copy everything. Now I'm going to copy this right here, so all I got to do is go on and right click and then copy this one, and then I'll come back here to Google Translate, and then I'm going to paste everything right here on the left. So right here, it automatically detects my language. As you can see here, Hindi is detected. So the Google Translate actually detected that this is indeed a Hindi language, and they'll do the translation into English, as you can see here. So what I want to do now is I can copy everything, click copy on this one, or just click copy on this copy button right here, and then I'm going to go open up a new document. Right click on file and click on new and click on document. So right now I can paste my English translation right here on this new document. I'm going to repeat the same process again. I'm going to come on here and then I'm going to highlight the next part, and then I'm going to copy this once again. And click on copy, come back to here and take on this delete everything and just paste the new text again. Right, this is part 2, and then I'll wait for the translation to English, and then I'm just gonna copy this one again. I'll just click on this copy translation. Right click on this button right here, and then I'll come back to this document and then click on this enter and just paste on the next paragraph right here. So you can repeat the same process again and again using this method, or you can just submit the entire document. As you can see here, you can translate the text like what I showed you. It is now copy and paste, or you can just click on the document right here, click on this document, and you can actually click on here to browse on your computer and actually upload the entire Google document right here to this Google Translator, and they automatically translate the entire article for us. And then we can submit that to different jobs and different offers, and we can get paid. For example, for Hindi language, they're going to pay you a slightly lower price. As you can see here, $75. But if you're lucky enough, sometimes you get some Spanish or some German language, for example, even Japanese. They pay up to $100 per job, and then all you got to do is just repeat the same thing. For example, I'm just going to highlight this Japanese language, and I'm going to copy this one and come back to the Google Translate. I'm going to do the text one for you, right? Just delete everything and then just paste right here, and they'll start translating into the English language. It's a very simple process, and I believe anyone can do this. And again, don't worry, you can do it on your phone, you can do it on your computer. Just go to google.com. Just search up Google Translate and use this software to actually do the job for you. Now, before you leave this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, click on the subscribe button, and also you can check out my other videos. Click on it and watch on the next video tutorial, and I promise you, you can learn so much and start making a lot of money online, and I'll see you on the next video.